this is how you're going to back up hosting your email. So you can do this by downloading the email that you want to back up. So first, you're going to log in to your mail.hostinger.com, and then once you're in your webmail, you're just going to go to your mail section right here at the left side toolbar. Now from here, you're going to click on select right here at the top of your screen. Click on that, and then we're going to enter the selection right here, or if you want to back up all of your emails, you can just click on all. Now for this one, I'm just going to select all, just so that all of these would be selected. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on more right here at the top right corner of your screen, and then from there you're going to click on download. So all you have to do now is to download on any format that you want. So for example, I want the mbox format. We're going to wait for this to finish downloading, and then we will be able to see our email backups right here. And that's it. That is how you can back up hosting your emails. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.